First look of Oppo Reno2. Hey guys, so, earlier it was reported that Oppo is planning to launch a new smartphone, in the Reno series in India this month. Now, the company has finally announced that it will be launching next generation of Reno smartphones in India. The company has started sending out media invites for the launch event, which is scheduled to take place on August 28. The invite reveals that the next generation of Reno smartphones will be known as Oppo Reno2 series. It also says that the upcoming smartphone will be equipped with a whopping 20x zoom. An Oppo Reno2 smartphone will be loaded with quad camera setup at the back panel. As per invite, the Reno2 series will be equipped with shark fin rising camera, which is also present in the first generation of Reno smartphones. The invite also hints that the company might introduce two smartphones in the Reno2 series, including a standard version of Reno2 and Reno 20x zoom. We don't have any quad camera details yet, but a leaked poster suggests that it will be equipped with a 48 megapixels main sensor, 13 megapixels telephoto lens, 8 megapixels super wide-angle lens, and 2 megapixels depth of field sensor. These camera combinations suggest that this will be a non-20x zoom version, which will come with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 700 series chipset, 6.43-inch AMOLED display, and a 4065 mAh battery capacity, with support for VOOC fast charging. If the Oppo Reno2 series is anything like the original Reno series, then we can expect a flagship model, and an upper mid-range variant. So that's it for this video. Let me know what do you think about the Oppo Reno2 series. Also don't forget to hit the like button, and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video.